I don't even know what kind of bird this is. He's like green with orange stripe on his head. I did see. Yeah, that's fine. He's still breathing, standing up.
Yes, hey, go. I don't have shoes on, Dix.
If you can see, I think it broke its beak when it hit the window, which is pretty terrible. But I can probably survive like this. Hope you're enjoying 10 minutes of footage of me holding a bird. This is your host, Blake. This is the bird. I still don't actually know what he is because I don't think I've seen this bird before around here. It's a weird color. I hope this bird does not give me any bird diseases. Oh. I mean, I've gotten enough footage, but I'm trying to keep a recording for when he eventually takes off, which I don't think he really wants to. I cannot hold on to him forever because that is not the way it goes in nature. He has to be a free bird, as they say. This is what you do when you're a wuss who likes animals. You hold them forever. Yeah. It's cold out here. And I cannot put on a jacket because there is a bird in my hand. Bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, as they say. My fingers are fucking freezing off. I think I have known this guy long enough to give him a name. He will be called Gilbert the Second, after the previous Gilbert, who I found underneath a tree as he was a baby, and I left him there. And then when I went back, he was no longer there. So he may or may not be dead now. Rest in peace, Gilbert. Fuck, I've been filming this all in goddamn horizontal view. It's gonna look like shit. Welcome back to Bird Cam, uncut, uncensored. This is way too much footage to fucking fit on Tumblr, so I'm probably gonna have to upload it to YouTube. I don't know who's gonna watch 20 minutes of me holding a confused bird with a broken beak. I don't know. I don't know. In this shitty I don't remember, portrait. It's called portrait view, because I'm refusing to turn the camera sideways, apparently, even though it would work better. I don't want the bird to fall asleep, because I don't know how bird concussions work. Might die. Ah, shit, he took a dump on my hand. Thanks, bird. You really know how to show your appreciation. Yeah. Yeah, shut up. Oh, that fucking back talk. Now, how can I use this bird to pick up chicks? I ask you. Do I have to carry him around in my pocket and say, look at this bird, he flew into my window. Do you want to date me? Never knew that birds had eyelashes. That's pretty cool, I guess. This bird's a pretty cool guy. He's getting through it. Like, you didn't see him before, but he was actually originally lying down when I first picked him up. And he's graduated all the way to standing up and sometimes making a noise at me. This is impressive. This is impressive rehabilitation of the bird. Someday we'll teach him to walk again. Now I would bring him inside, but that is a recipe for disaster. I'm still sick. This bird is not gonna catch my cold though, because he is strong. He's a strong boy. Come on, you can do it. Go fly. Go fly. Go on. Go on. You can do it. Come on. I don't want to go. Hope he doesn't get a phobia of flying because he'll hit a fucking window that he doesn't know was there because he's stupid. It's like my dog. She's afraid to be in the car now because my mom once got in a car accident and fucking she flew into the windshield with my dog. That traumatized her. Hopefully this dog bird is stronger. He can make it through the rest of his life. Learn how to fly again. It's a lifetime movie. Truly. You know, if any girls would actually watch this and be impressed by me holding a bird, it's like, wow, he's such a compassionate boy. And they hear me fucking burp and fucking spit all over my front porch, and you're like, it's not worth it no more. Birds is not worth that. Ever. Don't fall asleep, bird. You might have a bird concussion, like I said. Where's your bird family, guy? They coming to get you? You gonna come on by in the minivan? Fuck it. My ass is cold now. Sitting on a goddamn metal chair. Christ. Come on, dude, you're gonna make it. You can get through this. Yeah, get up. You can do it. You're moving. Shit, I'm gonna fall over now. Go on. Go on. You're free. You're free. Go. Look at that. I got more shit. You can't see it, I don't think. There we go. We got shit all over my hand. Thanks, bird. I appreciate you. You're really making this worth it for me. Really feeling fulfilled. You know? Yeah, don't make that smug fucking face. You goddamn asshole. You're gonna be okay. Listen, you can't live on my hand though. You're gonna have to go somewhere else. As much as I'd like to take care of you forever, it is not right. And you would not enjoy it. I don't even know what you eat. I could probably find some worms. You probably wouldn't eat it, because you're probably an asshole. Like most birds. Yeah, talking about you. Yeah, you're making that face again. You smug fuck. You haven't even tried to open your wings. Go, go, go. You can go. I guess I'm in here for the long haul. Of being cold. And holding on to a bird and bird shit. Okay, bird, here we go again. I'm gonna poke you. You're gonna have to fly away. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can't keep fucking shitting on my hand. It's not a good time. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go. Go. You can do it. He doesn't want to leave. He just took another shit on my hand. It's warmer now. Bird. Go. 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 You can fly. Try it out. Go. Go. Come on, bird. We gotta practice tough love. You can't stay here. You can't stay here. God damn it. Delicious. You see, this is why, this is what I was talking about, why do people want to put their fingers in other people's mouths when they got bird shit on them? I don't know, is someone gonna be aroused by this in their mouth? Probably, I guess. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Your wing is fine. Go on. Up you go. Up you go. You can do it. You can do it. Go on. Go on. Oh. Try flying. Come on. You can do it. Come on, guy. Come on. Why are you going down there? I mean, I guess it's a good sign, but you still haven't flown away. Come on, you can do it. Get out of my property, you piece of shit. Get out of here. Get out of here. Look what you did to my hand. Get the fuck out of here. You no longer want it. Get out of here. You can't just stand there. mean, you're probably gonna be okay, I assume. You're looking like you're okay. But I need to know that you can fly off. Be a big man. Fucking gross. Yeah. Like I could leave you now, but I don't want to come back and find you dead. Just fucking flopped over, okay? I don't want to do that. I need to make sure you get out of this situation. At least if you go off and die, you do it somewhere else. I don't want this blood on my hands. Yeah, you're making that face again. Every time with that goddamn face. He knows he's gonna die just to fucking spite me. That fucking asshole. Oh. I just not want to be touched by me. Because you're still not flying away. I don't think you broke your wing or anything, guy. I think you're being a pussy. You look fine. Are you just me? Do you got like bird depression? Like, oh, I can't fly because I don't believe in myself. And the girl birds will think I'm fat. You gotta get out of there. You gotta live your life. Bird man. Oh, you doing it? No, you're just moving over a bit. What a guy. Something wrong with your eye? No, you're fine. You open it back up. Come on, man. Come on, fly. Fly away. You're gonna be okay. This is not a place for you. I love to keep you around, but hey. This is not a place for birds. Birds do not belong in my dying garden. My dead garden, I should say. Birds belong out in the wild. Having weird bird sex with cloacas. Raising their children. Eating insects. Come on, man. You gotta do this for me. For me. I'm gonna have to go put my fucking jacket on. I'll be right back, you little asshole. Okay, I'm back. I got my my leather on. This bird is still not moving. I'm almost out of fucking phone battery because of this asshole. Come on, dude. Wing is not broken. It's all in your head. You can get up. You can fly. I mean, I don't know if you do well enough on your own right now. Like, I could try to leave you. But I don't know if you'd if I come back and you're either drop dead or you're not there anymore, I might think you're dead. You know, I want to know how this concludes. Yeah, don't do that. Don't fucking do that. You're gonna go to sleep now? Yeah, you would. You would. Okay, well, I don't know if there's anything else I can do for you now, bird. I mean, you look moderately safe in this bramble. You're kind of camouflaged. I don't know. I don't know what I should do. Like, I can leave you alone and come back later and check up on you. I mean, maybe I should leave and check up on you later. See if you're still here. I mean, I'd get you food. I don't know what you eat, though. And I don't know if you'd even eat it. Especially with that broken beak you have. Okay, so he still isn't, Fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? While not flying, he is, definitely, he's perked up, he's running around. He doesn't want anything to do with me. Oh, there he goes. He's getting better. For sure. Like, he doesn't want me around no more. And there's a dog. He left. Oh, he wants to play basketball. Dog, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the bird. Yeah, the dog is more interesting right now, to be honest. But we can't play basketball. The bird's hiding again. Bird's over there. He seems okay now. He can't fly quite just yet, but he's gonna make it. He's walking around, no longer confused. Now, hopefully, he's okay. Goodbye, little Gilbert II. I'll never forget you.
Yeah, I know. You want to play basketball. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. I'm okay. Fine. Go get it. God. Fucking dogs.